beautiful topics. The name of the topics is homophones. Homophones is a words likely to be confused. Homophones are the words that similar in sound but different in meanings. আজকে তোমাদের একটা সুন্দর জিনিস শেখাবো যেটার নাম হচ্ছে হোমোফোনস। হোমোফোনস কথাটা অর্থ হচ্ছে সমোচ্চারিত শব্দ কিন্তু অর্থটা আলাদা। ওকে, লেটস কামস টু দ্য টুডেজ ডিসকাশন। ওয়ান্ডার, সারপ্রাইজড, আশ্চর্য। I was filled with wonder to see the beautiful sight. আমি এই দৃশ্যটা দেখতে আশ্চর্য হয়ে গেছিলাম। Number 2, this wonder, W-A-N-D-R, wonder, move here and there. ইতস্তত এদিক ওদিক ঘুরে বেড়াকে বলে wonder. I wander lonely as a cloud. This is a beautiful lines of daffodils written by William Wordsworth. Number 2, advice, A-D-V-I-C, noun, upadesh. He gave me lot of advice. A advice, A-D-V-I-C, verb. He advises me to do the good work. Okay. Number 3, break, bhanga, break, broken. The boy always breaks some things at home. ছেলেটা বাড়িতে কিছু না কিছু প্রতিদিনই ভাঙে। ব্রেক, সাইকেলের ব্রেক। The man fell on the ground due to brake failure of the motorcycle. Due to brake failure of the motorcycle. But the accident occurred of the man due to brake failure of the motorcycle. Okay? Diary, a book. It is very good to keep a diary and write something every day. A diary, mother diary, a place where food products are produced, food materials are produced. I went to dairy to buy some milk products. Floor, magic. This floor is made of marble. এই মেঝেটা মার্বেল দিয়ে তৈরি। A floor, এটা হচ্ছে ময়দা। The bed is made from flour. ময়দা থেকে রুটি তৈরি হয়। Heart, here was from heart. The man is hard of here. Hard of here means কানে কম শোনে। That is called hard of here. A herd, a group of cattle. A herd is the cowboy is returning home with a herd of cow. Piece, P-I-E-C-E, টুকরো টুকরো। He broke the slate into 2 pieces. A P-E-S-C-E, piece means mental peace, something. Although the man has lot of wealth, he has no mental peace. This is peace, মনের শান্তি. Okay, clear? Principal, head of an institution is called principal. Mr. Sen is the principal of the St. Xavier's School. Principal. The man had a strong principle. Okay? So, if you like this video, please comments on the box. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day and see you on the next video. Bye.